Today we will read about living and non-living things. There are certain features of living things which are different from non-living things. Living things move, animal move in search of food, to escape from enemies, to find a place to rest. Predator catches prey. Does plant move? Yes, there are examples of plant movement also. Number 1, heliotropism. Plant moves towards light. Its stem and branches move towards light. This process is called heliotropism. Second example of plant movement is bud converting into flower. Convert into flower. It's a type of movement. Third example of plant movement is touch me not leaves closes when we touch it. Touch me not is also known as Mimosa pudica plant. It closes its leaf with the help of pulvini. Pulvini is a structure present in the base of the leaf. When we touch the leaf, it releases some chemical which causes loss of water from this pulvini structure and it shrinks. Due to loss of this turgor pressure means pressure because of water. Touch me not, leaves closes. Okay, so touch me not closes because of loss of turgor pressure at pulvini. Living things need food and water. We know human can be vegetarian, non-vegetarian. Animal can be herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. Plants make their food with the help of carbon dioxide, light, water and minerals. The process is called photosynthesis. So living things grow. We born as a baby, we grow as a boy or girl and we become women or men. Now living things breathe. We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. This process is called respiration. How do plant do respiration? They have tiny holes at their base below the leaves, but these holes are not visible. These are microscopic. They are so small that they can't be seen with the help of naked eyes. So stomata is used to exchange of gases. During respiration, plant gives out carbon dioxide and takes in oxygen. Respiration occurs throughout the day, 24 hours, but photosynthesis occurs only in presence of sunlight. So when sunlight is there, plant takes in carbon dioxide through stomata and gives out oxygen and photosynthesis is going on. In night time, only respiration is going on. That's why in the night time, tree gives out carbon dioxide. So better not to sleep below the tree at night times. But sacred fig is a type of plant which gives out oxygen even in night time. Sacred fig क्या है? People का पेड़, which gives out oxygen in the night time also. ये बात तो हो गई plants की. Now coming to animal. How animal breathe? Animal breathe through nose. Land animal breathe through nose. Aquatic animal breathe through gills. Gills can be covered with gill cover or operculum, and they do aquatic respiration. They take in water from their mouth and exhale out water from the gills, and they take dissolved oxygen in water into their capillaries by the process of diffusion. Insects like grasshopper and other insects, they breathe through tiny air holes through diffusion. These holes are called spiracle, and these spiracle air goes to tracheae, and there is a air tracheal system is there for respiration. Special respiratory system for insects. For this earthworm and leech, they breathe through skin, and this is called cutaneous. Cutaneous matlab skin. and cutaneous respiration is there for these worms. Their skin is moist due to release of mucus, and they take in oxygen through the skin of their body. Okay, so respiration of plant. So all these respiration, aquatic respiration, cutaneous respiration, and this is through lungs. ठीक है. A land animal, there is nose, nasopharynx, trachea, bronchus, bronchiole, alveoli, and then diffusion of oxygen into blood capillaries. So now the stomata, plant's stomata, what are the functions? Respiration, photosynthesis, exchange of gases, and the extra water of the plant comes out through the stomata. This process is called transpiration. Now, living things can feel. We have emotion. Animal have emotion. They scared, they are sad, happy, and when they feel safe and unsafe, accordingly they react. Living things give birth to young ones. There are two types of animal. Oviparous, O means omelette, giving eggs. Oviparous are insects. All insects give birth to eggs. They give birth through eggs. And fishes पानी से बाहर आई, अंदर भी गई. Amphibians, which lives both in water and on land also. Then birds, once they come out of water, they can fly. Then the birds, and they can रेंग सकते हैं सरफेस पे. दे आर रेप्टाइल. तो रेप्टाइल इंक्लूड्स डायनासोर, लिजर्ड, क्रोकोडाइल. एवरीथिंग इज reptile. Snake, all these come into reptile category. So all five gives egg. Oviparous animal, because they don't have mammary gland, that's why they give egg. And this egg, they just mother lay these eggs, so that once the baby is mature, then they hatch out. So second type of animals are viviparous animal, or the animal which gives birth to babies. They have mammary gland. They feed the baby for months or years, so that till the time they start chewing or eating by themselves, they fed on mother's milk. Exceptions are there. Whales and dolphins are the fishes which give birth to the baby. They have mammary glands and they give birth to the baby. How plant give birth to new plant? Through seeds. Seeds have baby plant inside it. Through stem like rose plant. Through leaves like bryophyllum plant to the new plant. Okay. बड बनी, फ्लावर बना, फ्लावर राइप हुआ, राइप होने पे सीड बने, राइप होके फॉल हुआ नीचे पेड़ के नीचे, और उसमें से जो सीड हैं उससे पेड़ के नीचे बेबी प्लांट ग्रो हो गया. लाइक दिस प्लांट रिप्रोड्यूस. देयर आर नेचुरल नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स आर ऑल्सो. All these are natural non-living things, and man-made non-living things are also. Okay, so best of luck for your exams.